What we need to understand is that this is a group of refugees who have been languishing without jobs, without livelihood, without employment for the last 70 years since independence, whereas their counterparts who chose to settle down in the other parts of the country rose to occupy the highest government offices, including that of the Prime Minister of India, Shri Inder Kumar Gujral and Dr. Manmohan Singh ji. Both of them were from West Pakistan. And therefore the nation owes it to them to ensure for them a dignified means of livelihood. And therefore this mechanism was contemplated and worked out, that since these segment of refugees have settled down in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, they do not have the citizenship rights, they do not have the state subject certificate, and in the absence of that, they do not have any proof of identity on the basis of which they can apply for central government jobs, or they can apply or avail of the recruitment in military and paramilitary forces. And the state government, in consultation with the Union Home Ministry, devised a mechanism wherein each of them could be provided a proof of identity so that he or she could be in a position or could be enabled to apply for central government jobs and also for recruitment in the military and paramilitary forces. And this is absolutely nothing to do with the citizenship rights per se. And I think those who are trying to make an issue out of it or trying to oppose this would do well to first address themselves to the issue of some of the foreign nationals who have over the last few years chosen to settle down in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in the suburbs of Jammu.